Hi, you're welcome to my CHY Mall business presentation series. In this tutorial video presentation, we are looking at how to generate an invitation link for new registration, how to generate a referral link or an invitation link for new registration. In CHY Mall, there are two ways of registering a new account or a new member. The first one is by generating a unique referral link, and you send a link to your prospect and then they will follow the link, create a new account, or you will do the registration for the person from your back office through the network diagram. But in this presentation, we are looking at how to generate a referral link or an invitation link, and you send to your prospect, and then they will use it to do their own registration. So remember to subscribe to our channel, the Financial Freedom Hub channel, and then remember to like our videos and then comment. Also remember to click the notification sign so that you will be notified when we share a video. Then also share our videos. So I want to take you straight in to the back office and show you how to generate that link and what to consider when you are generating that link. All right, so let's go to the site. Okay, so this is my back office. I'm logged in already. So I am using the site, the website. You can use the app and then you can also use the website. So if you are using maybe a tablet or a laptop, you can use the website. So I'm using the website interface on my laptop. So once you log in, you go to the back office and you come down here, you will see my finance, where you have the financial transactions, and then my services. When you go down to my services, you will see invitation link. So you just click on the invitation link and then it brings you down to the interface here. All right, so you will see four main things. Number one, you will see the service center ID. So the service center you are going to register the person under, and then the referral ID, the account you are using to refer the person or the account that is referring the person, and then the positioning, which is very, very critical, whether you are placing the person on your left leg or on your right leg. Now you know we have the binary system, so you have the two legs, the left leg and the right leg. So you can choose to place the person on the left and or on the right, depending on your team strength on the network diagram. I will soon take you to the network diagram and show you the things you have to consider in choosing the leg to place the person on. And then the placer ID. The placer ID refers to the account under which you are going to place the person. So you see, we have the flexibility in CHY to even determine. So you see the difference between the referral ID. You are going to earn the direct sharing profit, but because it is a binary, if your two legs are full already, it means you can't place the person under this account direct. Maybe about 20 or 50 accounts are even filled under that account. So the system will automatically select the vacant place. Let's change to right and see. If we change to right, let's see the most vacant place. So it will pick another account here under which we are going to place that person who is going to come through this registration link or through this referral link or invitation link. So these things are very critical. So let's look at it. The service center. The service center is the representation of the company in your community, in your locality, where you can pick your products from. And then places outside Ghana's service centers, also apart from serving the members their products and helping them solve their problems, they can also do payment. The company can empower them to sell CHY points and consumption points on behalf of the company. And then they can also help in the payment services. So the service center is very, very critical. So what we normally suggest is, if you are registering somebody, let's say I am in Ghana right now, and then I want to register somebody in, say, I'm in Bogatanga right now, and I want to register somebody in the same Ghana, in Accra or Kumasi, I can look for the nearest service center near the person, and then I will use that service center for the person. Okay, so when you come down here, you see that I have a number of service centers I have used for different links I've generated. Or let's say I am registering somebody, or I'm sending this link to somebody who is in the US or any other country. What I have to go to is I have to go through the service center list. So get in touch and get the service center list, and then you know where we have service centers. It is updated almost every time. The list is growing fast. So look for the service center that is nearest the person you are sending the link to, so that they can have easy access to their products and then the other services. So let's say I am choosing this one, so I select this one. This service center is in the US. It's a friend of mine, and so I want to show you how to select, determine whether you are choosing the left leg or the right leg, and then the placer ID, the account under which you are placing the person. We want to go and look at the network diagram quickly, and then we'll come back and finish up our link generation. So we go to the network diagram, and then it will help us to see where we want to place. So here you see this is the account I have logged in. That's the main account here. It's at the top here. So you see that on the left I have 19, on the right I have 7 on that account. So you see the point here. Now you see that on the left leg I have 860 PVs, or point values, on the left leg, and then 0 here. It means if I want to earn something like service profit or change service profit, it means I must be thinking of looking for points on the right leg, because I have 7 here, I have 19 here. So I have to look for points on the right leg in order for me to earn service profit and change service profit on this leg. So what I will do is I will want to place every new person I am bringing in for now on the right leg. So you see that is how you choose the leg. So you see where the points are accumulated and where you need points, and then you position the new entrant on that leg. So this is my right leg under this account. This is the left leg. So this left leg has points here, 860, and so I need points here in order to earn service profit and change service profit. So I will place the person here. But if you come down here, you see that this place, this leg is occupied. All this place is occupied. Let's say I come down, I choose one of this, and then I come down and look at it. You see that the 2 positions here are occupied, and then you see that this one too, there is no registration here, there is no registration here, there is no registration here. It means we cannot place the new person under here, any of these ones, unless we choose this one. We choose this one to place the person. So this is the nearest available. That is why when we choose the right leg, you saw that Yara 13 came. It means if we accept that placer ID, it means the new account that will be created will be placed under this person or under this account, and then the point will flow through. If it's a VIP3, it means the point will flow through. It fills from the left, so it will fill from the left, and then the point will flow through here and come to this account, and then flow to this account until it gets to the top account, JF Kennedy at the top there. All right, so that is how the dynamics of the placer ID works. So you have to, the system gives you flexibility. I can change that one there. If I want the account to be placed here, it means at the placer ID, instead of the Yara, I will select Baby 2. It means this leg is full already. It means this place will be available for that new account to be placed if the person uses that link to register. And then the point will come here, and then this account will earn service profit, and the point will flow up here and go here, build up, and then it will continue like that. All right, so let's go back to our invitation link. All right, so remember, the important thing is the service center ID. Make sure if the person is far away, maybe a different country, ask the person their location and try to look for the nearest possible service center, and then you put the service center ID in that. So let's say I choose, these two are in Nigeria, this one is in Nigeria, this one is also in Nigeria, this one is in Canada, this one is in US, this one is in Ghana, this one is in Ghana. So let's assume that I am registering somebody in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. So I decided to use Esperon 4 Gold as the service center, and then I choose the right, and then I don't want the placement to be under this yard, so I choose rather to place it under. Because I went and checked, and then I saw that there is vacancy there, so I choose this one. I want it to be placed on that other leg, and then you go to create link. All right, so your link is created, and this is the referral ID. And so what you do is, this is your link that has been created, so you can see it there. You can see the placer ID is there, Bebele 1, and then you can see the service center ID also there, Esperon 4 Gold, and then you can see the referral JF Kennedy. So you can see all the information indicated there. So you just copy this link and send to the person. So you just copy from here and then you send to the person. What I'm going to do is, let me open another place here, or it will open the new account. So let me go to another browser, and then I'll put in the link, and let's see how the link will open. So that is the link. I open it up in a new browser, and then you see how it looks like. So the link sends the person your form, the registration form. So this is what the person is going to fill. You can see that the referral ID is selected already. The person cannot change it. The placer ID is selected already. The person cannot change it. The zone, whether right zone or left zone, that's the leg. The right zone or the right leg is selected already. The person cannot change it. And then the service center is selected already. The person cannot change those 4 elements that you use to create the link. So those ones are constant, and you send to the person. So the person can only fill their username here, and then come down and then select the VIP level they want to register, and then the country, then the detailed address, login password, confirm the login password, payment password, etc., etc. So that is the form that the link you have generated is going to send to the person. When the person follows the link, they will come to this form and fill it. And you can see that all your details you want the person to use to register are already embedded in the form. This is the referral ID, the placer ID, the zone, that's the leg, right leg or left leg, and then the service center. They are all provided for the person. So once the person fills the remaining details and then comes down here and clicks on I have agreed, and then click on register, the person is registered. All right, so that is how you create the referral link or an invitation link you want to send to a prospect who you have spoken to about this business, and they are ready to register, and they ask for how to register. You generate that link and send to them. All right, so thanks for watching. Remember, I'm inviting you to join my team, and let's build this business together. And then remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.